Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Ronald A. Murphy here. Today's Wednesday, November 16th, 2022 AD. And I have this box. It's got some serious weight to it. Velo. It's got a trademark. So I think that means it's professional. Anyway, I'm going to open it up and I'll show you what we got here. Okay, I'll just. Boom. Look at that. 4 of them. And this little sack of goodies here. And I'll show you what's in this sack of goodies first. Alright, let's empty this out here. Okay, you got some instructions, 4 sets of keys. They're all the same, by the way. Although this one has a little tag on it, but the keys are all the same. But you got 4 sets of 2s. And then you have these little thingy-mabobs, so you can put information on them, I guess. That's the idea. But then you get 4 of these. Very nice. Very, very heavy duty. These are well built. This is a 5-star product. No doubt about it. Okay, so you can put this around your bicycle. Tighten it up, loosen it up, however big your bicycle frame is. So you got 2 of them. You've got this right here, which is where you open it up, pull it out. You can extend it if you want to. It's in there pretty good though. But what you do, there's a little hole right here. Take one of your keys, put it in, turn it, and then you can, hold on, I gotta turn it. Well, I'm doing it right. Hold on, make sure I'm doing it right. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Oh, it's not in all the way. Okay, there you go. Okay, make sure it helps put the key all the way in. But there you go, you can lock it up. Now what you can do now is take this, put it around your bicycle and like a tree or a bike, where you put a thing where you put, you got bikes or a post or whatever. Put it around your bike or your wheel or whatever. Tighten it back up, turn the key, pull the key, and there you go. This is very sturdy, very heavy duty, and very well built. This is very. I mean, they're gonna have to get like a blowtorch or something to cut this thing off because it's very well made. It's very heavy duty, and the parts are definitely. But once it's locked, it's locked. So, and again, to unlock it, you just take your key, stick it in. Make sure it's all the way in. That helps. And then you can just pull it out. And then when you're done, put it back in, turn the key the other way, pull it out, and you're locked. Then when you're done, you can fold it up, put it back in your thing, latch it back up. And there you go. This is very nice. Very well made. This is definitely 5-star. This is heavy duty industrial. It's got plastic and rubber, so the metal parts are I would say 99% of the metal parts. The only thing that's showing is that I see is actual metal that's not covered in rubber or plastic. This little part right here, and that's real small. So it's protected from the rain. Again, 99% of it. And it's very well made. The rubber's nice. The plastic's super good. All this metal stuff right here is covered. That's the actual lock. Is covered in some kind of plastic. I don't know what that is, but anyway, this is real nice. Again, you just Velcro it, and you can adjust it to whatever. Of course, this comes out if you pull it all the way out, and you can put it on your however big your bike frame is. And like I said, you get 4 sets of 2 keys or 8 keys total. And a bunch of little naming tags, which I'll probably just throw away, but The locks themselves are very nice, very well made, very professional, very high end. 2 thumbs up. Can't say enough for them. So until next time, I'm Rolling Roof saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.
Hey, Bruce here. Today we're going to be reviewing this beautiful lock set we got here. I was really impressed. They say electric bike locks. Obviously, you can use these for anything you want. I actually got these for my tools in the back of my truck so I can lock them to my truck itself. And then we do have a couple scooters. I got these for my kids so they can actually use them on the scooters as well. But this one here particularly I got for my truck. I'll show you that in a second. So you get this unit here to mount on your bike. Here is the mounting hardware here. You put this guy on there, strap it around. They give you screws there obviously, and you lock it in. And then there's your holding mechanism for your lock. This guy, once it's on your whatever you mount it on, your bike or whatever, it just twists and locks in place like that, and then it's on your unit just like that, no problem. To unlock it, you just toggle this little orange button, and then I gotta do it with my right hand. Toggle it, and it comes right off. It's a pretty positive lock. It doesn't just fall off easy, so you gotta give it a little nice twist, which is great because you don't want this thing rattling around. So anyway, one thing I really like is that they give you great quality keys. I mean, super nice keys, and these are all key to like, which is obviously huge. So you don't have a zillion different keys, and this guy just comes apart like that. And I missed it. And bingo, you're back in business. So anyway, really nice unit there, just like you would expect. Here they give you a cable as well for cable lock, so you can strap it around something and use that, or use this guy here too. What was I going to show you? Oh, on the keys. Where'd the keys go? Right here. If you happen to lose all these keys, you need more keys. They give you a little tag here, key code tag. You just send in that tag number, and then we'll provide replacement keys. So you can still get replacement keys if you end up losing them. So that's really nice. This guy is really cool, and I got a lot of construction equipment and stuff. And that's one thing I like about this is what I got these for. I got 2 of them. This is a set here, obviously. This is a nice, heavy, rubberized container that these go in. The back is really ribbed and heavy, so you can strap this in and mount it anywhere in seconds. And then you've got this unit with you, nice and heavy duty. Then it's got this strap that you pop over, and the unit comes out itself, and then there's the unit. So that little guy stows just like that. And then to open it, you just spread it open, and boom, now you've got this nice lock that you can configure around different things, but you got a nice heavy duty lock. So I can have this around my truck and then around my equipment and whatnot, and boom, have that thing locked in place. And then to get it apart, you just put the key in there. Actually, the way the keys hole is made, it's like shut. So it like even protects it from grinds. So you kind of give a little push, and then it slides in there and opens it up. Anyway, you just open it, and it's got that little jaw in there, and then you just, to close it like that, you put it back, and then you're back in action. So just like anything, these aren't 100% vandal proof, especially nowadays with all the cordless tools we have and grinders and all that. People can get into stuff if they want to. But in general, if you're looking for opportunists that are just trying to quick grab like any of this stuff, these are just awesome products. I'm just really impressed with the build quality. Very nice, cleanly done. Love this little carrying pouch for this guy. So yeah, when you're done with it, you just fold it back up, just like that. And it stows right back in the little carry case. Put the little deal over the top, and you're back in action. So really nice setup. They just did a really good job. They also give you a little key tab to put these on probably for each unit you want to put them on. Anyway, I think that review about covers it. Excellent unit, definitely recommended. I hope that review helped. If so, let everybody know down below, and you have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
I can say one issue is this part. This part should be like J shape, because if it is like this straight, it's a little bit easy to unlock it. I don't want to share how to unlock, but yes, this part maybe. But this quality is good, strong enough, and this is strong. And you can put this compact will go inside this. And yes, and they include these several keys, information, and the light is not very heavy. This is also good. I'm not sure how we can attach this one near to the bag, but I did put this one inside this bag, and this one go around this way. Please let me know if you have a question. More than happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you.
got the Velo Mini U-Lock Short and Mini U-Lock Long. 2 U-Locks with gold secure rate for e-bike batteries and frames with matching keys. Protection for your bike. Here's the lock. Very good quality. Here's the keyhole. It's the shackle. You get 6 keys, 6 color code tags, and you get the quick start guide. 2 locks with bracket for bike. Thank you. Very good value for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your e-bike security. Thank you.